Custom cabinet design and amp. Installation Madison Heights offers a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With a focus on quality and craftsmanship, Madison Heights Custom Cabinetry Services provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether you're interested in kitchen cabinet design or bathroom cabinet installation, our experts are here to help. Cabinet design and amp. Installation Madison Heights is essential for creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Our team of professionals will guide you through the process, ensuring that your cabinet layout planning aligns with your vision. From cabinet storage solutions to cabinet lighting, we cover all aspects of design to maximize your space. For those seeking modern cabinet styles in Madison Heights, our cabinet showroom offers a variety of options to suit contemporary tastes. Explore the latest cabinet trends and discover how cabinet customization can transform your home. Our cabinet design and amp. Installation Madison Heights services are skilled in creating unique designs that reflect your personal style. Cabinet refacing in Madison Heights is a cost-effective way to update your kitchen or bathroom without a complete overhaul. Our Madison Heights cabinet installation experts can refresh your space with new cabinet finishes and cabinet hardware, giving your home a modern look. Cabinet painting in Madison Heights, MI, is another option for those looking to revitalize their cabinets with a fresh coat of paint. Wood cabinets in Madison Heights, MI, are a timeless choice for homeowners who appreciate natural beauty and durability. Our selection of cabinet materials includes a variety of woods, each offering unique characteristics. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary look, our cabinet design and amp. Installation Madison Heights can be customized to fit your style. Built-in cabinets in Madison Heights provide seamless integration to your home, offering both functionality and elegance. Our cabinet makers specialize in creating built-in solutions that enhance your living space. From cabinet repair services in Madison Heights to cabinet maintenance, we ensure your cabinets remain in top condition. Cabinet design and amp. Installation Madison Heights is an excellent way to increase the value of your home. Our team offers cabinet upgrades that include the latest cabinet accessories and cabinet finishes. Whether you're looking to improve cabinet storage solutions or add cabinet lighting, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Cabinet hardware in Madison Heights is an important aspect of cabinet design, offering both functionality and style. Our selection includes a variety of options to complement your cabinets, from traditional to modern designs. Cabinet layout planning in Madison Heights ensures that your space is both practical and visually appealing. Madison Heights Cabinet Showroom is the perfect place to explore your options and find inspiration for your next project. Our knowledgeable staff is available to assist you with cabinet design consultation and help you choose the right cabinet materials for your home. Discover the possibilities with our extensive range of cabinet finishes and cabinet trends.